Hello! You have come to this video because you want to know about chakra meditation. Now, obviously, you've come here because you're a beginner to it. Maybe you're just a little bit curious about what chakras are. Now, this isn't a long video, so I'm not going to go into too many details, but I will give you a source where you can have much more instruction for free in a moment. We have this beautiful spiritual life if we know what to do. Chakra meditation is the fastest way. Well, the fastest way is to have an enlightened teacher transmit you light, but chakra meditation is the fastest way to awaken the Kundalini, to get the Kundalini, the divine blood, the divine essence that's just sitting at the base of your spine, to go up the Sushumna, which is the ethereal tube, and to start activating the chakras. I do not recommend that you meditate on the lower chakras because that can be a little dangerous. You can start feeling, a bit sexy, postman looks too good. What you want to do to start with is focus on the heart chakra. And the way my teacher taught me, I'm going to teach you now. The heart chakra, you just put your hand out and you say, me, me. And wherever you placed your finger, that is where your heart chakra is. The heart chakra, once it starts becoming activated, it's not like an open heart, like I feel love. That's a human emotion. When the heart chakra starts to become activated, you open to a different dimension, a different divine dimension, where you can recognize who people truly are. You can see. Your compassion opens up. It's a wondrous, amazing chakra to meditate upon. And when you meditate upon it, you can meditate upon it with your eyes closed, take a few deep breaths, making sure always that you're grounded, sitting up straight, your spine straight. You can almost feel like you're a tree trunk in the ground, but there's a fine ethereal gold light pulling you up to eternity. This will help you with this visualization to keep your spine straight. And then when you close your eyes, you take a few big deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. You focus on that point with all of your might. And what may help you is to visualize a beautiful sun coming out of it, just glowing. Or you can visualize a beautiful rose slowly opening. Or you can listen to some music that's got a little beat in it, or a violin or something that you can feel like that music is coming out of your chest. And you just focus there. Do your best to keep your head straight even though your eyes are closed, because otherwise what is a tendency for beginners is for their head to go down because you feel like you've got to look there. Because the heart chakra is actually situated in the Sushumna at the back. So any of you who've done a little bit of Kriya Yoga meditation, you would have been taught that. As I said, this is a very short video. So I recommend that you focus on your heart chakra in an evening meditation. Sunset is good. The veil is thinner at sunset. And in the morning, you focus on your third eye, the ajna. You focus right there. You can scratch it a little bit, put a little bit of oil there if you want to, and you focus right there. And you can feel like the middle of your brain, like there's a blue dot. This is a really good thing to do. Focus like there's a blue dot in the middle of your brain. That's visualize that it's coming through that. Some people, you can close your eyes and focus there and you can already see a light there. Not everybody can, particularly with beginners. So you focus there, you really, really focus there as if there's light, with all of your might. So until there's no thought. That's why scratching it a little bit, putting a little bit of oil so you can really, really focus there. Do your best to stop all your thoughts. And in the morning when you do a third eye meditation, to activate that third eye chakra, and eventually you can have some amazing experiences. This helps though. The reason we do this is to help draw up, pump up that Kundalini up the Sushumna. The Sushumna is already, it's blocked. Everyone's Sushumna is blocked to start with. Well, not everybody's, but 99.9% of the people. And so, the beginners. And so you want to bring that Kundalini up. As that Kundalini is coming up, you're drawing it up by focusing on the heart chakra. and the third eye. If you can do more than 2 meditations a day, it's great. If you want to learn more about chakra meditation, to go a little deeper, you're a beginner, or maybe you're not a beginner, but it's been a long time since you've practiced meditation. I have a free video that goes for quite extensive detail into chakra meditation called The Practice of Meditation. And if you go to a website called themysticalsuccessclub.com, you will find there where it says videos, free videos, and there are videos there on the practice of meditation. It doesn't say chakra meditation, but that's what I'm speaking about and going into a little bit more depth about meditation. So enjoy that free video. There's a lot of free videos there you can actually enjoy as well on different topics to do with mysticism and awakening. This is Michelle Blood. Enjoy your chakra meditation. Thank you.